Hello and welcome to Learn C++ in an easy way. In this video, we want to write a function and we see how to write an alarm if the user enter wrong number. So we ask the user, how old are you? And so then we are going to print that you are, for example, function age years old. So function age is going to give us a number, right? So it's an integer valued function. I define it here. So we have function age. See the video in the caption to know how define functions. And so we are going to ask the user to enter the name, right? So I write here integer n, and while true, do this loop. So we have a while loop here and it runs as long as it is true, right? So for sure for exit, we can use return, we will see. Now we ask that, okay, enter your age. So we ask the user to enter the age. So we take it. Now we should decide that, for example, if the user enter an age and number bigger than 120, bigger or equal, maybe equal is better, then we want to play an alarm, right? So I choose this one, and this is going to go to my library and play this song Pink, and this is because I am using Mac. You can search what you should do in your computer. If you have Mac, this works well. And then also I am going to say the user that your age cannot be uh, over than 120. Now I should decide for else if, but before that I also add here that, okay, try again, yeah, and enter your age again. And now for else if, I just copy paste it here and change it. So I decide that, okay, if um, you enter negative integer, then there is again the alarm, and also your age cannot be negative, and try again. Perfect. Now it should be fine, and at the end we should return n, and when this happens, then the while loop stops, right? Because the return n. So it continues as long as you receive a proper integer between 0 and 120. Then it returns n, and we can go to the main function. I fix also how here. Okay, perfect. Now we should be able to run it. So let's see. You are 2 years old. Perfect. Now if I enter -8, then You see, I hear the voice, the alarm, and also it says your age cannot be negative. Try again. So I can enter an integer again, right? So the while loop doesn't stop. Now 7. Perfect. We try again. -9. Yes. Enter your age again. For example, I write 0. For example, I am newborn baby. Okay, I'm 0 years old. And finally, 130 again. The alarm. And 30. And at the end, the right age.